Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to update your Mailchimp header, whether you're refreshing your brand look or just want to make your email campaigns more visually appealing. Updating your header is a quick way to make a big impact. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, press Enter to land on the Mailchimp homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it and sign in using your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account quickly. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation panel with several options. Click on Campaigns. This is where all your email marketing efforts are managed, from creating new campaigns to editing existing ones. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. From this expanded menu, select Email Templates. This section houses all the templates you've created or used in the past, making it easy to maintain consistency across your email campaigns. Now you'll see a list of all the emails and campaigns you have in your Mailchimp account. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple by using an existing template to customize and update your header. This approach saves time and ensures you're working with a structure that's already set up. Click on Mailchimp templates to view the available options. Browse through and choose any email template you'd like to work with, then click on Create Email. This action duplicates the template so you can make changes without affecting the original. Now you're in the email customization interface. Look at the right side of your screen and you'll notice the Edit Design button located in the bottom right corner. Click on it to access the full editor where you can make detailed changes to your email layout and design elements. You will now be directed to the Email Editor page. This is where the real customization happens, giving you control over every visual element of your email. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. From the editor page, hover your cursor over the top part of the email until you find the header block. Click on it and immediately the left side customization panel will appear. This panel is your toolkit for making changes specifically to the header section. From here, you can customize the section background or drop an image to make your header more visually striking. You can also adjust the text format to match your brand's typography, change the link color for better visibility, and add border and padding to give your header more breathing room and a polished look. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Mailchimp header with a fresh look that aligns with your brand identity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.